good afternoon. Okay, so I've already done this once and something happened and my whole computer shut down. So here I am going through this one more time. I guess maybe it will be the better time around. I also did get to see how long I was on and I was like, oh, I gotta beat 8 minutes. We'll see what happens. All right, good afternoon, third graders. What? Third graders. I also have a third grader in my house. Well, soon to be third grader. She's not really a third grader yet. Well, almost. You're almost third graders. You are 5 days away from being in third grade.
Well,
isn't that crazy?
Not really, because we still have to do some of them.
Well, just a quick reminder, you have an entire second grade meeting on Zoom tonight. Let's meet there. I don't know what that means. Anyways, maybe it means I'll see you there. Let's me there. All right, well, I will post the information in a few minutes. I did post it yesterday on Facebook. It's the same information that we've been using, so if you're someone who's been going, it's the same username, number to join, and the same password and the same link. But I think it's going to be kind of fun because Miss Price, Miss Lyle, and myself will be there, and then all of the kids from, well, whoever comes, from second grade, so you can see some of your friends who are in the other classes. It should be fun. Just a little sappiness. Considering we only have 5 days left, I wanted to say being your teacher has been the best. This was my first year in second grade, and I can safely say that you all have made it the best. I hope that you come and visit when you are in third grade. You all know how I loved having my fourth graders come and visit me in the morning. Sometimes they made it a little crazy, but just seeing their faces every day, coming to say hi, and just knowing that they were doing well, that made me very happy to know. And it made me just happy to see them come visit. So, thank you for making this first year of second grade the best. And really, it has been fun to be your teacher. Just knowing the things, you know, that you say, the faces you make when you're talking, your handwriting, you know, how excited you get about certain activities. It was nice to be your teacher this year. Next week, we have Monday off. There will be no new learning until Tuesday. And then really, it's Tuesday through Friday that you have learning. However, and this that goes on that's not on the screen, Miss Lyle, Miss Price, and I have talked and decided that we're not really going to, I'm not going to put anything into Google. That's me. I don't know if Miss Price and Miss Lyle are, but I'm not going to put anything up in Google. And I say that, not that I don't think shapes and 3D shapes are important. However, I think that we've all done a lot, and it's a short week. And some of you are going to be turning in your Chromebooks on Wednesday, so I can't have an expectation that the work is going to necessarily be complete. Now, in saying that, I will say that there will be some activities up there for you. I'm just not going to put them up into Google Classroom. I will send them in an email. I will put them on the Miss Alcorn's webpage. Miss Lyle will put them on hers. So they'll be available for you, but I'm also going to just say, like, we are putting together a summer packet of learning for you guys, and 3D shapes is going to be in there. So when you go to pick up your belongings on May 29th from 4 to 6 p.m. Just kidding. It could be any time, the 27th, 28th, or 29th. from 8 to 3 or from 2 to 6 on Friday, you'll have a packet inside of those bags. So we do have next Monday off, and then you only have work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. However, in most areas, it's going to be review, just kind of like we did at the beginning, right after March 13th, right after our last day of school. So there will be activities available to you. However, I'm not going to put them in Google Classroom. Sorry. I think, you guys can work off of Clever, or I'll just post them into Facebook and remind and send an email out. Okay? Anyways, Monday we have off because it's Memorial Day. Make sure to remember those military servicemen and women who gave it all. We talked about how Memorial Day is different than Veterans Day, and how Memorial Day is a day to remember the men and women who were in the military and have passed. Now, remember, Veterans Day is just, we're thanking all the veterans. Anyone who's been in the military, they can be dead or alive. And then Memorial Day is specific to making sure that we remember. Anyways, Harper's painting and she's having a hard time. Anyway, so it's a day to remember those who gave it all. Whether they were in war and passed away, or they were, just any military serviceman or woman that has been in the military and passed away. So that's what we do on Memorial Day. We remember all of those who have passed and been in the military. I have down here is a book read aloud called Memorial Day. And then this is an educational video, not very long, about Memorial Day itself. I do have a coloring page that I'm going to be sending through email. So if your parents want to print it out, that's what that's there for. Other than that, I will see you later at our Zoom meeting. Hopefully this works this time so I don't have to do it another time. And just so you know, I am 1 minute less than I was when I first did this.